Here is our newly arrived McLouis Fusion 367, coming in at just under 7 meters in length and powered by a 2.3 140 brake horsepower Fiat chassis. This vehicle's got a beautiful grey cab leading into a lovely white body, beautifully styled by the Italian manufacturer. This classic Italian styling continues inside with this beautiful white faux leather and the brown trim, complemented against the oak furniture and the gloss white cabinetry doors. A really nice place to be. If we look inside the cab, you can see that this is the new Ducato Series 8. So you've got the larger screen, you've got that 6-speed gearbox I already mentioned, you've got all your connectivity for Bluetooth, phone, etc. And of course cruise control, cab air conditioning are all standard. This van is a 4-berth van, but it can comfortably seat 5 people. You've got 2 seat belts here on your 2 travelling seats. Of course you've got the driver and the passenger seat, and you've got a 5th seat here again as a travelling seat. These seats can either come as standard, or we can fit the faux leather covers if required. And the table here, there's a little adjustment which means this can be moved in any direction. Really clever system, so you can make yourself comfortable, move the table in between all of the seating to make a really nice seating area. If we look behind the seating area, you can see the kitchen area. So plenty of storage, hot and cold running water. You've got your just 3-burner hob in here, storage above, and if we spin round to the other side, you can see you've got your combination oven, and then you've got your fridge and freezer. And if we just look inside, there's your fridge compartment, there's your freezer compartment. So again, plenty of space in the van and all the facilities. This of course is the real of the gem of the van, the rear island bed, absolutely beautiful. Steps up to both sides. It can be separated from the rest of the van if required. And if we look on either side, you've got a beautiful shower area. And on the opposite side here, you've got a beautiful toilet area. And again, of course, both can be closed off. You've got this sit up in bed position here. Just gives you a little bit of extra room around the bed during the day. But if you then want to spread it out at night, it folds down then to a full-size double. Absolutely gorgeous. Above the lounge area, you do have another bed. This is a drop-down electric bed. So simply with the push of a button, you can bring this bed down, accessed by a ladder, and you can see that there is all the netting, so you can actually secure younger children in there if you need to, so nobody can drop out of bed. And again, just a press of the button and that takes it back up out of the way for you. I'm just at the rear of the van now, so I can show you the storage area. Another great feature on this van, absolutely huge storage area which can be accessed from either side, but certainly plenty of room in there for anything you would wish to take with you. So if you think you might be interested in this unregistered McLouis Fusion, there's not many of them about, but it is sat in stock here. If you'd like any further information on this 367, please feel free to give us a call at Derby Motorhomes on 01332 360 222. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.